The series of 4 distinct seasons in the mountain heaven of Hunza in Pakistan makes up a unique blend of tourism flavor. Each season is packed with a distinct feature displaying a scenic aura unique in its own features. Cherry blossom, Sakura, is a Japanese ritual symbolizes a special occasion. Blossom in Hunza Valley signals an exceptional display of a dramatic change of nature welcoming a brand new life. The harsh winters are replaced by moderate aromatic breezes and the landscape dresses in a new vibrant outfit to demonstrate its ultimate splendor. Green terraced fields, flowering trees of apricot, almond, peach, and apple, snow-capped mountains, crystal clear rivers and creeks, and blue skies make up a blend of unmatched beauty. Beginning in early April, the blooming trees always attract scores of people from Japan and Korea to Hunza. Cherry blossom season is comparatively short-lived, yet the blooming time varies depending on the altitude in the region. The higher altitude regions in Gilgit-Baltistan receive late blooming,